how to configure Scan to SFTP, otherwise known as Scan to SSH or Scan to SSH FTP. Part 1. Requirements. In order for a brother device to scan into your SFTP server, the device will need to authenticate to it. This authentication requires a two-step process, including your SFTP server's SSH public key. When exporting this key, you will need to ensure that it is in a format supported by your brother device. You can find a list of supported formats in the description of this video. The second step requires an SFTP server username and either its password or an SSH client key generated by your brother device. If you want to use a client key, I will show you how to generate one in part 3 of this video. Part 2. Uploading an SSH server public key to your brother device. From a web browser, enter your brother device's IP address in order to access its internal web server. Then, type in its admin password and click the login button. From the navigation menu, find and click the network button. Then, click the security button. From the list of security options, click the server public key button. Then, click the import server public key link. Click the choose file button to find and locate your SFTP server's SSH public key. Once selected, click the submit button. If the public key is supported by your brother device, it will successfully upload. If it is not supported, you will see this warning message instead. If you are seeing this message, you will probably need to re-export your public key into a different format. To learn which formats brother devices support, take a look at the description of this video. I also created a separate video that shows you how to fix a common formatting problem. A link to it is now on your screen. Part 3. Creating and exporting the SSH client key pair. Please note that you will not need to do this if you intend to use a password as part of the authentication process. From the navigation menu, click the network button. Then click the security button. From the list of security options, click the client key pair button. Then click the create new client key pair link. Give the client key pair a name that you will be able to recognize later. Then select the public key algorithm and strength. When you are ready, click the submit button. After a few short moments, the key pair will be ready to export. To do this, click the export public key link. Then click the submit button. After the key has been exported, please upload it into your SFTP server. Part 4. Configuring a Scan to SFTP profile on your brother device. From a web browser, enter your brother device's IP address. Then type in its admin password and click the login button. Find and click the scan option. Then click the Scan to FTP, SFTP, Network, SharePoint option. From one of the available profiles, select the SFTP option. In this example, I am using Profile 2 because the first one is being used for something else. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button. From the navigation menu, click the Scan to FTP, SFTP, Network, SharePoint Profile option. Then click the profile that you selected earlier. In my example, I am using Profile 2. Give your Scan to SFTP profile a name. This name will also be visible to end users on the brother device's display. Next, enter the address of your SFTP server. Type the appropriate SFTP username, then select the authentication method. If you selected password as the authentication method, you will now need to enter it into these two fields. If you selected client key pair as the authentication method, you will need to select it from here. If this drop-down is empty, please go back to part 3 of this video where I explain how to generate one. Next, select the server public key you uploaded earlier. If this drop-down is empty, please go back to part 2 of this video where I explain how to upload an SFTP server public key to your brother device. If the user specified earlier has access to multiple folder locations on your SFTP server, specify which one you want this profile to scan into. From the range of options underneath, decide how you want the brother device to present your scanned files, including type, quality, and if you want to password protect them. Lastly, specify the port number used by your SFTP server. Your brother device is pre-configured with the default SSH port number of 22. If yours is different, please change it. When you are ready to save your profile settings, click the Submit button. It is recommended to let your brother device test your settings by clicking the Yes button. If your settings are OK, you will see a Test OK message. If your settings did not work, you will see this or a similar looking message. For help on what to do next, please take a look at my troubleshooting video. A link to it should now be on your screen as well as in the description. If your settings were OK, it is recommended to try making a scan from your brother device. This is because the test you just made does not 100% guarantee that your profile is working. To do this, go to your brother device and press the Scan button. Then press the To FTP SFTP button. Find and press the name of your Scan to SFTP profile you recently created. In this example, it is called Training. Then press the Start button. Go through the regular motions of making a scan. If the scan was successful, the brother device will return to this menu. If there was a problem, you will see this or a similar looking message instead. The main cause of this is due to permissions on the assigned folder your brother device is trying to access. Most of the time, the way to correct this is to ensure that the authenticating user is recognized by both the operating system and SFTP server, and has both read and write permissions to the relevant folder. For example, in Windows, a solution might be to ensure that the SFTP user has read and write access to the destination folder. The way to do this will vary depending on your operating system and SFTP server. Thank you.